Looking to shape your future in the ever-evolving world of IT? The Bachelor of Science in Informatics at Hellenic American University is your path to success. Our structured four-year program equips you with cutting-edge skills in the hottest tech fields. Choose your focus: computer science and artificial intelligence, application and game development, networks and cybersecurity, or UX design. Combine theory and practice, earn international certifications, and graduate with skills employers crave. Our 360 degrees approach ensures you master technical and soft skills like communication and critical thinking. Picture yourself as a software developer, data analyst, cybersecurity specialist, UX designer, or AI professional. Plus, benefit from scholarships, industry certifications, and flexible study hours. Take the first step to a rewarding IT career. Request information today. Email admissions at honiv.edu or call 210-368-0950 today.